Imagine hitting the open road with nothing but the horizon in front of you and the freedom to go anywhere you want. Now picture doing that in the 2026 RV camper, a futuristic beast that redefines what mobile living means. This isn't just a vehicle. It's a self-contained luxury apartment on wheels, built for dreamers, adventurers, and digital nomads who crave both mobility and comfort. The exterior? It's sleek, modern, and aerodynamic, with sharp lines and LED accent lights that glow like something out of a sci-fi movie. Solar panels stretch across the roof, constantly charging an onboard battery system that powers everything: your lights, appliances, entertainment system, and even climate control. Say goodbye to noisy generators and hello to silent, sustainable energy. And yes, it's fully electric, so you're not just traveling, you're doing it responsibly. But it's when you step inside that the magic really hits. The 2026 RV camper is all about intelligent design. Think panoramic smart windows that tint automatically based on sunlight, ambient lighting that changes with your mood, and a fully modular interior that transforms at the touch of a button. One moment, you've got a spacious lounge, the next, a plush queen-size bed slides out from the wall. There's even a retractable workspace for creators and remote workers, complete with 5G connectivity and noise-canceling panels for focus. And let's talk about the kitchen. This isn't your average cramped RV galley. We're talking induction cooktop, touch panel controls, a smart fridge that tells you when groceries are running low, and enough counter space to prep a full meal, or maybe just that midnight snack. Everything folds, hides, or slides when not in use, so you never feel boxed in. The bathroom? Spa vibes. Rainfall shower, touchless fixtures, heated flooring. Even the toilet is high-tech, with self-cleaning features and greywater recycling built in. It's like your favorite hotel suite decided to hit the road with you. But the best part? The experience. This RV is built for exploring, with all-terrain tires, adaptive suspension, and a GPS-based auto-leveling system that ensures you're steady, no matter how rugged the landscape. Want to camp by a lake, deep in the forest, or high in the mountains? Just park, tap a button, and your RV adjusts itself. The 360-degree camera system helps you park with ease, even in tight spots. And when night falls, the rooftop deck unfolds into a stargazing lounge, complete with built-in heaters and a pop-up fire pit. Whether you're a weekend explorer or a full-time traveler, the 2026 RV camper isn't just transportation. It's transformation. It's where technology meets tranquility.